Choosing the right keywords involves a strategic approach that goes beyond mere popularity. Here are some key steps to help select keywords that will drive sales and leads. Analyze competitors' keywords and identify gaps in their strategy. This can uncover opportunities for users to target keywords they might have overlooked. Consider long-tail keywords, longer and more specific phrases, which often have less competition and are more likely to convert. And then you've got to take into account to understand the intent behind the keywords. Are visitors looking for information, products, or services? So you can tailor the content to match that intent of theirs. Local SEO. If a business serves a specific geographic area, incorporating location-based keywords can help attract local customers.